Back to Savvy Serena. Today I have a clean with me because my house is a complete wreck. So I have dishes I've got to wash. Those need to be put away. I've got all that to clean. It's just my counter. Look at my counter. My God, it's stuff all down my counter. I need to put all this away. I've got my kitchen table. It's stuff all over top of that. All that's got to go. It's a few things on my dryer I need to clean up. Let's see. My husband's dirty clothes basket. Where did the freaking socks come from? I don't know. That stool needs to be put away. My house is a wreck. Did I mention that my stepdaughter's coming? My living room is not quite as bad. I've got towels that I told my husband to kind of throw right here so I could fold them up today. My stepdaughter's coming, and I wanted to make sure it was plenty of towels for her to take a bath with. I don't know if you can see, but Socks is sleeping over there. But I need to fold that blanket up whenever she gets up. All this needs to be cleaned up. My table, all that stuff needs to get off my table. My house is a complete wreck. The room isn't too bad. It's just a few things where my husband took a bath, he threw the towel over. It's just a few things where I took a shower I need to clean up. This isn't too bad. I just need to wipe everything down. This is the bed where she'll be sleeping. Remember I did in a haul, I think it was a Ollie's and something else haul. I'll try to link it above. I got this sheet set. That turned out really cute. I was kind of wondering, it's kind of gray on the walls, and this is the only comforter that I've got that's extra that would kind of go with this, and I didn't realize, so I pulled it out. There is a little bit of gray in the pillowcase. It's got a little gray in it too. I think I'm going to get me a brown, maybe comforter. I think the brown instead of the gray with the gray walls, which is a different gray, but I don't think it looks too bad. I think it looks pretty cute. But I need a sheet. I like them, kind of gives it that woodsy feel to it, which I like.
Into the heat of the night, yeah, alright, do it again. You should have seen it come, you acted numb, don't deny. You are like a moth to the flame.
is a super easy recipe. I just fed the animals. I realized what time it was, and I need to get this going. So, I'm going to take what's left of this chicken and put it in there. If we have leftovers, that's great. We can make sandwiches with it, but you need about 4 chicken breasts. I have way more than that, but I'm looking for leftovers for lunch or whatever. Chicken broth, which I don't have, so I'm using 1 chicken bouillon cube and a cup of water, which will make my cup of broth. Then honey mustard, which was Great Value brand dressing and dip. You can definitely make your own if you want to, but I'm just going to use the store-bought to make this easier since I got more I need to clean. That's for 4 breasts. I think I'm going to add a little more just to make sure I have enough. Paprika for 4 hours or on low for 8. We are going to go for low and let this go for about 8 hours. Hopefully, because I don't think we're going to eat till 7 or 8 o'clock. When it's done, because I don't know if we're going to get done in enough time to show you. Once it's done, that chicken will probably fall apart on its own. But what doesn't fall apart, you want to kind of shred it with a fork and then put it up on whatever bread. It can be hamburger buns, it can be whatever kind of bread, and you make it into a sandwich, and then we're going to have a side salad with it. Considered one of my 5 ingredient or less dump dinners, but I'm going to let this go and I'm going to continue cleaning. That's one thing I love about crock pots. So, yeah, it might help if I plug it up. Okay, so my camera died, so I have done swept the floor in here and in the kitchen, which you've seen. So we'll get back to filming. I just wanted you to know I did sweep the floor.
The street into the heat of the night. Yeah, alright, do it again. You should have seen it come. You acted numb, don't deny. You are like a moth to the flame.
I forgot I was vlogging today with everything going on. It's now 8:42 and this is what I have drained the liquid out of this because the liquid was just a little too much. It was too liquidy. But I got this on warm and I added, once I drained it, I added a little bit more of a Dijon mustard because I wanted a little bit more kick to it. If it's too mustardy, I'm just going to add a little bit more of the honey mustard, but it is really good. Really quick dinner. You know, play around with it. If you like today's video, I know it's kind of static. I didn't show everything I wanted to show because I was so pressed for time. But if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, which will let me know to do more cook and clean videos. And y'all come back now. Y'all hear?